Here's your Storm Track 7 forecast.
I'm Storm Track 7 meteorologist Joy Bettenhausen. We have our sunshine, we've got warmer temperatures, and finally no wind. Today's going to be an absolutely beautiful day. However, rain does move in late tonight through much of the day tomorrow, and by Saturday, threat trackers already in the yellow as we do have a chance for a couple strong to severe storms by the afternoon and evening hours. We had fog this morning. Maybe you had to drive through it on your way into work. Look at this here. We've got some fog still lingering over the Des Moines area. But aside from that, we don't have any fog here over eastern Iowa. Notice no clouds. This kind of wispy cloud looking thing, that's the fog. So we don't have any of that over us. We are done with the fog for today. Here's a look at visibility, and aside from 7 miles of visibility out of 10 in Tama, we've got 10s across the board. That's the highest you can get, but notice still 1.5 miles of visibility out over Des Moines where they're still dealing with some fog. We had this low pressure system over us, gave us rain yesterday. That's moving eastward. We have this nice high pressure ridge starting to settle in. That's what helped clear us out and is bringing our warmer temperatures, but also lightening up our wind speeds. That's why we're able to enjoy that. Temperatures right now are already in the 50s, 53 in Dubuque, 52 in Decorah, 54 in Waterloo, 59 already in Iowa City. Notice it's a little bit cooler over Des Moines where there's still some fog lingering, just 46 degrees. We're only warming up from here at least over the next couple of days. Today's highs upper 60s, low 70s, couple more 70-degree days. But we've got that strong system coming through. That's bringing us a chance for a couple strong to severe storms Saturday afternoon and evening. And since it is a strong system, as it does exit, it's going to drop down our temperatures as well. We'll be in the 40s on Monday, but notice we're back in the 50s and 60s for much of next work week. So at least we're staying in the spring theme, not really cooling down as much as we have in the past couple of weeks. Winds today 5 to 10 miles per hour, but winds do kind of increase starting tomorrow. It's ahead of our next rain chance. 35-mile-per-hour gusts will be possible. Today's highs were in the 60s, 70s south under some sunshine and light northwest winds. Tonight we're dropping down to the upper 40s north, mid-50s south as we do have the chance for some rain and even a couple of storms. Now we won't see rain in eastern Iowa until later on tonight. So good news is most of the day will be dry. This is Tuesday 9 o'clock and likely the best chance to see some showers and storms rolling in will be after midnight. This will become widespread through the Friday morning commute. Now overall, I'm not expecting a severe threat. However, I can't rule out some localized storms becoming strong to severe and producing large hail. That's kind of the main threat for this, along with some heavy downpours. Notice by 7 o'clock though, some of these storms could be a bit stronger. And if they do form in a line and organize, they may produce some winds, damaging wind gusts as well. That's something we'll have to keep an eye on. Some of the models are trying to show that, and that'll skirt down south. You can see that here. Otherwise, by noon, I would say most of the precipitation should exit. Can't rule out maybe a storm or two popping up, but that should be it in terms of the general bulk of precipitation. Now, I mentioned we do have to be mindful of heavy downpours. If we get the same showers and storms that develop and kind of train over the same areas, we could see up to 3 inches of rain in our far southern counties, and that could pose some localized flooding hazards, something we'll have to keep in mind of. Further north, though, not expecting all that much rain, so you should be in good shape there. City by city forecast: Waterloo, Dubuque, Cedar Rapids, and Iowa City, 70s through the weekend. There's our chance of showers and storms on Saturday. All that rain should clear out by early Sunday morning. We're dry through the start of next work week, but temperatures are back in the 40s.